Hey everyone, it's me again. Yeah, I'm back, sorry. Gonna test out this bad boy here. Haven't really had a chance to go out and shoot it yet because everyone cancels their plans on me, so I hate you guys. Especially you, Brittany. Yeah. But anyway, it's a CO2 powered 4.5mm BB pistol, so hopefully this will go well. Worst comes to worst, I blow a hole in my wall. Oh well. Yeah. And today, my friend Charles over here, yeah, he's a robot. He's dead. Because he doesn't work. But anyway, he's offered to kindly take these BBs at point blank range so I can test it. Thank you, Charles. Thank you. He's an asshole. Okay. Safety. Off. Maybe, please. Oh, there you go. Hey, Charles. This is either gonna A, hurt, or B, hurt. I don't know if that hit. Ow. I just hit myself in the crotch. See, this is why you don't give me weapons. It's really bad. I'm not safe with my weapons. Oh well, that was fun. My crotch hurts. Bye.